So today we're going to be unboxing the Dino truck, and this is Triceratops, and we're going to open it up right here. And when you open it, are you guys excited to see what's in it? Yeah, so this is what it looks like. Let's slide it out. Wow, this is a play mat, and it's quite a big play mat. So let's put the play mat down. You can see the play mat has different scenery for the dinosaur park, and we have the Triceratops. We have the Triceratops. I can never say that word. And in here, what do you have? Can you open it up?
We got dinosaurs.
The dinosaurs. And we have palm trees, which we can put there. And we have the eggs, the dino eggs. Yeah, so this transport truck, it's very sturdy, and I like that it has all these dinosaurs that you can have in there to play with them. And the eggs are so beautiful, beautiful eggs. And these are like the cage, so can you use this like cage or something? With this dinosaur transport truck, it's a large one. You do get 8 realistic dinosaur figures. The playmat is very interactive. The child can play with and learn about different kind of dinosaurs, 2 medium-sized dinosaurs and 6 mini dinosaurs. And the truck is really durable, and at the end of it all, when it's time to finish playing, you can store all your dinosaurs away for the next day that they have to play with it.